Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to slow down videos in Vegas Pro 14. So basically you can turn the videos into like slow motion or like speed the videos up. It's a really simple tutorial, and yeah, so just let it load. Not long left. I haven't done a tutorial in like quite a while, so I deleted OBS like 2 weeks ago, and I had to re-download it. So it's open. I'm gonna import the video that I'm gonna be showing you guys, the tutorial. So it's just some shooting stars. Why is it lagging? What's happening? So basically it's just shooting stars. What you want to do to slow it down, hold control, and it'll like go to the end of the video and press control. You can do it over here, then hold control, and when you pull it outwards, it slows the video down, and pushing it inside like that, like it speeds the video up. So let me just put that preview auto, let's see if it speeds up. There we are. Wait, what's happening to the computer? As you can see, this is at normal like speed. It's an animation, it's not actually real. So I'll just speed it up, slow it down. As you can see right there. I'll just play it. So you can see it slowed down. And if you want to speed it up, right there. I really don't know what's happening to my laptop. I may have a virus. So anyways, this is how you do it. This is how you slow down and speed up this thing on in Vegas Pro 14. So if you guys want any more tutorials, just comment down below and I'll show you guys, and I'll do a tutorial on it. Thanks for watching. Bye.